your safety restraint. Collect all personal belongings and exit quickly and carefully to your right. Please remain seated, keeping your head, back, and shoulders against the seat back, and keep your hands off.
All right, we're ready to soar with the Phoenix. We just rode Penguin Trek the other day. And by other day, I mean yesterday. But we got a new friend with us here. Both of our new times on Phoenix Rising. Are you ready?
I am ready.
Scanning platform. Platform clear. Dispatch.
Go, everyone. Whoa.
Beat it. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah. I like it.
Got a little pop of air on that.
Oh, yeah. Woohoo. Wow, that's a fly off. I'm a Phoenix, all right.
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, come on.
Whoa. That thing's chopping my legs!
Woohoo! Wow. It didn't even get longer, that's all.
That was really good.
That was.
The one in going to Busch Gardens Williamsburg is going to be longer. They're getting one just like this.
Good. Honestly, yeah.
I'm going to be impressed. That was really good.
Yes, I was.
Up on your safety restraint. Collect all personal belongings.